Today, we're going to become fossil detectives. We'll learn how fossils help scientists discover what the world looked like long, long ago. Have you ever seen a fossil before? Fossils can tell us amazing stories about animals and plants from the past. Let's see what we can discover together. What is a fossil? Fossils are clues left behind by living things from long ago. Some fossils are bones, shells, or even footprints. A fossil is the remains or traces of a plant or animal from long ago. That means fossils are pieces or signs that something once lived here. Let's learn two important words. Remains means parts left behind, and traces means signs that something was there. Do you know who studies fossils? A scientist called a paleontologist does. Paleontologists study fossils to learn about the past. They're like detectives who search for clues in rocks and bones. Let's say the word together. Paleontologist. Would you want to have this job? I think it would be exciting. Paleontologists use special tools like brushes, shovels, and magnifying glasses to carefully uncover fossils. Did you know Texas is home to amazing fossils? One famous fossil site is the Waco Mammoth Site. Did you know Texas is home to amazing fossils? One famous fossil site is the Waco Mammoth Site. It's a special place in Waco, Texas, where scientists have uncovered many mammoth fossils. Scientists found many mammoth fossils buried together in Waco, Texas. That helped them learn more about how mammoths lived. Mammoths and elephants are similar, but mammoths were hairier, had long tusks, and lived in cold weather. This fossil site is very special because it is the only recorded nursery herd of mammoths found in the United States. A nursery herd is a group of mothers and babies that stay together. Why do you think the mammoths stayed together? Maybe they protected each other or helped take care of the babies. Scientists found mammoths of different ages, including babies, teens, and adults, all in one location. This discovery gives us clues about how mammoths lived and how they cared for their young, similar to modern elephants. Here's a fun fact. These mammoths lived about 65,000 years ago. Wow, that was a very long time ago. Paleontologists use these discoveries to figure out what life was like during the Ice Age. They can also estimate age from bones and teeth. There are different kinds of fossils. Let's learn about some of them. Mold fossils are like prints left behind in mud or rock, kind of like making a footprint in wet sand. Cast fossils form when minerals fill in a mold and harden. It's like making a copy of the original fossil. Mold and cast fossils are related, but a mold is the empty space, and a cast is the filled copy. Trace fossils are signs of activity rather than body parts. They include things like footprints or burrows. Some trace fossils include nests, burrows, and even fossilized poop called coprolites. Yes, even poop can become a fossil. An ammonite was a sea animal that lived long ago. It hunted for food and was related to squids and octopuses. Scientists found sea fossils in the mountains of Texas. That tells us Texas was underwater a very long time ago. Fossils help us learn how Earth has changed over time. Texas looked very different long ago. Fossils are like clues from the past. They help us understand what the world looked like millions of years ago. Now it's your turn to be a fossil scientist. Let's dig for fossils, make molds and casts, and explore even more fossil fun.